Can we recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video by App Hacks, we'll discuss if it is possible to recover a permanently deleted Insta account after 30 days. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, let's head over to the deletion process. First, we open up our Insta, then we head over to our settings. So on our settings, we head over to accounts and center. In there, we head over to your information and permission. My bad, we head over to personal details. There, we head over to account ownership and control and deactivation or deletion. So this is the process we delete Instagram account. We head over to this deletion process and select this delete account button. Tap on continue. And after that, we simply choose whatever is our concern, then tap on continue. So right here, what we can do is we can simply tap on continue and then type in the password. Now this is the process and they do give us a 30 days time period to recover our account. But if you want to recover the account after that 30 days, there is a simple explanation that you cannot do that because you won't be able to, log in, since after the 30 days period, your account will be inaccessible since your data will have already get deleted. After the 30 days, your deletion process will have begun, and even after contacting the support, you will need time, and you'll need different situation to restore the account, but there is no guarantee that they can restore the account. So there is no actual way you can recover your account after 30 days of deletion. So I hope this video helps, but yeah, you can still contact Instagram support regarding this matter and see if they can help. And yeah, that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye.